take a look at this. This is an MRI scan of my tongue as I'm speaking, and you can see it's pretty huge. But speaking isn't the only thing you need your tongue for. One of the best things it does is help you taste. Your tongue is covered in small hair-like projections, as I'm going to show you. Right, Xand, open your mouth nice and wide. Ugh, not hair like that. I said hair-like projections. Can't see them with your naked eye, so take a look at this. This is a super close-up of your tongue. This red blob is called papilla. Your taste buds sit on the side of it, and they contain tiny hair-like projections called microvilli to help you taste. And if you look at your tongue, the bumps you can see are the papillae.
And the more papillae you have on your tongue, the more taste buds you have, and the more sensitive to taste you are.
And you have more of them than we do.
Because we're doctors.
No, Xand, because we're adults. We have around 5,000 covering our tongues, but you have 10,000. That's twice as many.
And to prove it, Chris, I've brought in a sample. This sample is 9 years old.
This isn't a sample, it's a child.
Anyway, the point is, we're going to compare Chris's papillae with the samples. But first, I need to cover your tongues in blue food dye.
The blue dye will show up all the papillae.
And now, the sample.
I have a name, you know, and it's Hermione.
Very noisy sample. Give me your tongue.
Nice blue tongue, Hermione. Xand is putting a glass slide on both our tongues to make it easier to count the papillae.
Chris's papillae are those little pale dots right there. And these are Hermione's. You can see that there's way more on her tongue, and that means more taste buds. Good job, Hermione.
As we get older, your taste buds deteriorate and they aren't replaced, which is why you will be much more sensitive to strong flavours like garlic than your mum or dad.
There are certain things, though, like a cold, that can play havoc with everybody's sense of taste.
But why would having a bunged up nose affect your taste? Well, we're going to show you.